Hey, PChemsters, this is Mrs. Vanderley again, bringing you not a blank wall, but a WSQ 14.7. In the last WSQ, somebody had asked, what is Q? And I said, we're going to address that in the next section. Well, here it is, the reaction quotient. So hopefully this went pretty well for you. You watched your videos, I hope. And right now you can see only 24 of you have done them, but still have 7 more to go. So in your own words, what's the importance of knowing the value of Q? Well, let me explain why I think it is so important. The Q will tell you how your reaction is going to shift. Are you going to make more products or make more reactants? That's what Q will do. And why is that so important? Because when you set up your ICE table, if you're going to make more products, you're going to subtract from your reactants and add to your products. If you need more reactants, you're going to add to the reactants and subtract from the products. That all happens in that C line of ICE. All right, so you know if you're going to be adding or subtracting on which side, and Q will tell you that. So what does it mean if Q is greater than K? So if you remember what the law of mass action is, it's products over reactants. If Q is bigger than K, you have too many products. You have to get rid of products. It's going to shift to your left. You're going to make more reactants. So that's the case where you're going to subtract in the C line from your products and add more to your reactants to get it equal, balanced out. But if Q is less than K, again, K is products of reactants. If it's too small, you need more products. And that's when you're going to add on the C line on your product side and subtract from your reactant side. So let's check this out. Here's an example. I hope you don't mind if I don't actually do the math for you. So I think you can figure out K is equal to B squared over A, which is 1 squared over 1, which is 1. So 1 is the Q value. So 1 is less than 2. So what does that mean? You need to shift it so you have more products. So it's going to shift to the right. So what if I do the next one? Again, K is equal to B squared over A. So it's 2 squared over 2, which is 2. It's equal to that, isn't it? So you're already at equilibrium, so you don't have to do anything. You're at equilibrium. That's the equilibrium concentrations. Anything besides a 2 and a 2, you will not get equal to K. So then over here, again, K is equal to B squared over A. So 3 squared is 9 over 3 is 3. So Q is 3. Which is greater than K. You have too many products. You have to go the other direction. It's going to shift to the left. So you're going to lose some of your products and gain some more of your reactants. So that's all this was. This is a short one. At this time, with only 24 of you doing your WSQ when I'm making this video, there were absolutely no questions, so nothing for me to address, which is kind of a sigh of relief. I must not have made a mistake in the video. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.